to create a project in Nativeblocks. First, go to the studio and click the button labeled Create a New Project. A window will appear where you can enter a name for your project. After naming it, choose the platform you want to build for. Once you select the platform, your project will be created instantly. Open the Nativeblocks Connect app, refresh the screen, and your new project will instantly appear in the list. Click on your project and you'll see a sample frame. Click on it. You can also tap on your project in the Connect app to view the exact frame. When you open it, the sample app will load and run smoothly, allowing you to interact with it in real time and see exactly how your project will appear on a mobile device. On the left side of the studio, you'll find the full hierarchy of components, and you can adjust their properties from the right side, like background and border properties and etc. Let's try changing a property in our project. Go back to the home page of the Connect app and tap the LiveKit icon in the top right corner. Turn it on, and now you'll see a live demo of your app with all the latest changes in real time. Now let's get back to the studio and make some changes to one of our components. For example, here we have a text component. I want to change its font size from 24 to 32. Don't forget to click Update Properties to apply your changes. And the font size has updated. Let's try another example. This time we have the Decrease button, and I want to change its background color. After selecting the new color, I tap on Update Properties, and the change is applied right away. You can see the results instantly, which makes it very easy to experiment with your design and fine-tune your app's look and feel. So now let's add a new frame from the top and complete our design. Tap on Create New Frame, then enter a name and a root for your frame, like Home. Click on the Add and go to the frame. After that, refresh the Connect app to see the new frame appear. In the root of each frame, you can add any components you want. For example, I'll add a text component and name it Title. Then I'll go to the Variables section and create a new variable for it. I'll set a key and a value. Choose the type, and then go back to the Hierarchy section. When I tap on the text component and open the data panel on the right, I can select the variable from the dropdown. You'll see it appear instantly in the app. Now I'll change the font size and update it. Next, I'll add another component to create a column. I'll adjust its alignment settings so everything is centered. Then, I'll drag my previous text component into this column to show the difference. I just need to change the height and width of the column to match, so it looks better in the UI. I can also add an image inside the column. Just like before, I'll create a variable with a unique key and value, then assign it to the image component, and that's done. For better spacing, I can add a spacer between my components and give it the right height. And now the layout looks clean. I can also add a button. I'll create a variable for it. Go back to the hierarchy. Assign the variable to the button. And you'll see it appear in the frame as well. If we want the button to work properly, we can tap the action icon and add an on-click action. For example, I want the title text to change whenever I click the button. It's very simple. Just watch how I do it. I type the new value, choose the variable key I want to update, and that's it. Now your frame is fully interactive and connected, and you've seen how easy it is to design, update, and test everything in real time. Keep building, keep experimenting, and enjoy creating your app with Nativeblocks.